For my GLC experience, I had the opportunity to study abroad in Granada, Spain over this past summer for 6 weeks, and I lived with a host family and truly got to immerse myself with the language, and I wouldn't have been able to do this without the generosity of the GLC. In Granada, no one speaks English, and so I really had to sink or swim, and that really helped me learn the language faster. I took 6 hours of language classes, and then I had the opportunity to go on several excursions, including to Sevilla, Barcelona, and even Morocco. And so I really got the opportunity to travel everywhere. I made really close relationships with the people in my program because we were traveling everywhere together and had classes together. And then I made really close relationships with my host family. I had all of my meals with them, and I had 2 host siblings, Blanca and Carmen, and they were spectacular, and we played Go Fish every night together. They would say, "We go fish." And, so it was really fun to be able to connect with a family there. I definitely view the world differently because you realize that the United States is not the center of the universe, and that there's other countries and that have different policies and different perspectives on things, and that really has enriched my cultural worldview. I think this experience has changed the way that I lead because it's allowed me to respect people of other backgrounds more. Thank you so much, and continue the generosity so that other students can have the same experience that I did, because it has been one of the most spectacular things in my entire life.